风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and we got a band here called 有感觉乐团 or Feel. And we got two members in this group. There's Fei Fei and Li Qi. Now, they really fell in love with Hakka culture and dove headfirst into Hakka music to come up with some great songs like this one, a breezy, upbeat song called I Wonder Why, or in Hakka, Si Van Zap Vi Ma Ge. And it's inspired by the childlike curiosity in the book Tell Me Why, capturing the bittersweet and sometimes confusing emotions of having a secret crush. Well, let's take a listen to this song, I Wonder Why.
很有动动疑问想了解，是办怎麻烦？好亲爱，无了解你烦恼别嘛解，假到输本内，唔敢去怪东烦内，答心小通则，不会再写手，下当爱心中爱的人会暗涌在起，想公开。相愛清清楚楚，眼快速嘅一清道你，管但是秘密去經你嘅笑容來來離離，也無聲意，為快你叻在自己，是扮雜位，馬街到大街大對難為，總就定義也都好中意眼在注意，那問題劇風的可怪點勁強有你，快探好我愛對愛情折磨。
这首歌10万字为什么4版 Zap Be My Gay 是由有感觉乐团所带的歌曲，他们呢用童书10万个为什么 Tell Me Why 中孩子天真的疑问语气呢，来唱出暗恋情愫中的酸甜与猜疑。来，我们继续来收听这首 I Wonder Why。Keep your curiosity up with 4版 Zap Be My Gay, a song brought to you by 有感觉乐团 Feel. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.